Hello everyone, welcome. Today, yes, it's weekend today on Saturday, September the 19th. Yes, it's September the 19th. We have here only one, no, two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Sudoku Medium, and we have here also a samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet, and in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles we have here are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah, Saturday, September the 17th, 2022. Two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. And the last one, a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve today. And tomorrow, on Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper. So I will do the other half tomorrow. But first, we will solve the medium Sudoku. Again, our daily practice. So Sudoku continues. Yes. All right. Medium Sudoku. Let me zoom this out. Let me solve this puzzle. And this will be number, I believe, 5188. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 2 stars, and for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is really a 2 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me scan. Alright. Yeah. Let me see. 9. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2, 8. Okay. And then 6. The 3. I'm thinking. Yeah. 9. 2. Yeah, we have a 2 in the last row. The 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Yeah. Then I'm scanning. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. You see a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. Let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here the 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column. First column, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. And we have a pair. No. We don't. Yeah, we have a pair. We have a 1 and a 6 in this row. We have a 1 and a 6 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in the last column. So no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Here we have the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Okay, so 8 and a 9. So those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 6 then. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 6. Okay. And 8. We have a pair again. 6 and 8 in this column. 6 and 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Alright. 8. 2, 2. 5, 5. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. No, 6 we have here. 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. Let me mark those. 2, 5, 9. That means we have a 5 in one of those 3 boxes. A 5. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 7. So 1 digit left in this column for the number. I believe the 1. 1, 1, 1, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 7 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 2 boxes. Here, 7 in this row. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. Yeah. 7 in the first row. 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in the third column, no 7 there. Here 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Moving the lights. We don't have all the 7s, I believe. Need to wait. How about 8. 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 258, 258, 258. Okay, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here, 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. So the 8 and the 5 are missing now. The 8 and the 5, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Let me check the time. Already 10 minutes past. Okay, so here also 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5. Alright. Right. Think. We have a 1 in this row. We have a 1 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay. 1. Cannot continue with the 1. Let me think. 2. Ay. How about the 3 then? The 3. 3. No. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these 2 boxes here. 3 in this row. No 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here. It could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 3 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, first column. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this second row. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, okay. But the 7, we have a pair again. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Alright. So 6 and 8. 6 and 8, okay. 6. Yeah, let me think. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. Here, 6 in this row. No 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 2 numbers are left. The 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 8 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2, 5, 9. I have marked those 3 boxes, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in the second row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 2 and a 5. Okay. 2 and a 5. Here we have 1 digit left. I believe the 8. 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left. In the middle row, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Then 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Can I fill this yet? about those two missing numbers in the second row for the most. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. Two missing numbers now in this big square for the most. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. One box left in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 and the 5, I've marked those two boxes. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 now in the first row. No 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. We have a 2 now in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. One box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 full. Should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 7 goes there. 3 to 7 we have here. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 3 goes there. One box left in this column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 and the 6, we have an 8 now in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. 1 and the 6, we have a 6 now in the first row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Fine. No 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.